In the aftermath of 2 atomic bombings, one man emerges from the shadows of destruction carrying the weight of survival and memory. His name is Hiroshi Tanaka, a regular citizen turned into a living testament of human endurance amidst chaos. As Hiroshi kneels among the ashes of his former life, memories flood his mind. Laughter with friends, family gatherings, and the vibrant life that once filled the streets. Around him, others gather united by shared trauma, yet ignited by an indomitable spirit to rise again. In that moment, Hiroshi finds a fragment of hope, a child's toy buried in the rubble reminding him of the lives forever altered. As the sun sets, the survivors come together planting seeds in the earth, vowing to nurture not just trees, but also their dreams for a brighter tomorrow.
As days turn into weeks, Hiroshi finds purpose in rebuilding his community, gathered under a sign that boldly states, "Together we heal." The laughter of children echoes as an elderly woman patiently guides them in writing each stroke a step towards reclaiming their future. Hiroshi stands before the survivors, his voice filled with conviction as he talks of unity and hope for a brighter future. The once silent streets now buzz with activity, transformed by a lively market, where neighbors exchange goods, weaving the fabric of a new life together. Under the starry expanse, the community comes together, hands linked in a circle of hope, each face illuminated by the warmth of newfound unity. Inspired, Hiroshi takes to the wall, painting a mural that celebrates their resilience, watched by joyful children, each stroke a testament to the unyielding spirit of survival. Hiroshi's smile speaks volumes, a reflection of the journey from heartache to hope as he stands among those he has rallied. Above them, the town flourishes once more with colorful gardens and laughter filling the air, a vibrant reminder that life, much like their spirit, finds a way to blossom even in the harshest conditions.